Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. To celebrate National Banana Day on April 16th, we'll be making a riff on the Sazarac cocktail, the Bananarac, where the major change will be the addition of banana liqueur, which turns it into more of a dessert cocktail. Similar to a traditional Sazerac, you'll be serving it with no ice in a chilled Gibraltar or small rocks glass, and garnished with a lemon peel. For ingredients, you'll need a good brandy. In this case, I opted for the bolder flavors of a good Armagnac, Sazerac rye, or something bolder like Rittenhouse or Lot 40 Dark Oak, but it just feels right to make a New Orleans cocktail with Sazerac rye. Your banana liqueur, Gifford is what's usually called for, but Muller is what I have. And for further deviations from the Sazerac, we'll use rich Demerara syrup instead of simple syrup, angostura bitters instead of peychauds, and lastly, an atomizer to mist your glass and absinthe, which really pays off with this cocktail. Once you've got the necessary stock, gather your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, rocks glass, and fill it with ice and set it in the fridge or to the side to chill. Then grab your mixing glass and add 1 dash of angostura bitters. Following this, get your jigger and measure ½ ounce of banana liqueur. Add it to your glass. Then 1 ounce of Armagnac. Add it to your glass. 1 ounce of Sazerac rye. Add it to your glass. Then fill your mixing glass with ice, and before stirring, measure and add a barspoon of Demerara syrup. And begin stirring for 30 seconds. It's okay to go a little over since we won't be adding ice to the cocktail. I found it easier to add the syrup last year to avoid having a sticky spoon lying around prior to mixing. Once properly chilled and diluted, bring your rocks glass back and either ditch the ice or add it to the top of your mix for additional chilling and diluting when you strain your cocktail. Swap your mixing glass for your rocks glass, sans rocks, give it 2 to 3 mists of absinthe, and then carefully strain your cocktail into your glass. And garnish with a lemon peel, or just drop it right in. On paper, this is a spirit-forward cocktail, but thanks to the flavors of the banana liqueur and the rich Demerara syrup, it comes out tasting like banana bread. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a go-to dessert cocktail or a Sazerac riff? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.